Good morning, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm your girl Shauna. Before I get into this little video, remember to like out the video them, share out the video them, subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed as yet, blow up the comment section, and remember to turn on your post notification bell and click on all so you won't miss a video. All right guys, so right now it's after 7 and I am just having my cup of tea. In today's video I am going to be showing you guys how to, you know, style your outdated butterfly locks. You know what, I'm still on your hair raga, because right now my hair wants to wash. As you can see, some of the hair is unraveling. It's really bad. See, it's unraveling. All right, so I think I had in these for it's even itching me. I have in these locks for not long enough, to be honest with you. I probably 2 weeks or a week and a half. I have in these. I go finish my tea and then we are gonna start the styling process. All right, first thing first, natural lovers, I am going to use this sheen and jam, right, to, you know, kind of to lay down my flyaways. So I'm just gonna add the sheen and jam. So I'm gonna use this little brush to brush it in, to smooth it in. Also gonna be adding some to the front. All right, so I'm gonna do my edges now. So I'm gonna be using these two products. So I'm gonna be using the Got to Be Glue styling gel, and I'm also gonna be using the Got to Be Glue spray. So first is I'm gonna be using this one. And then I am going to be spraying this over it. I'm going to allow it to air dry for about 5 minutes. Alright, natural lovers, so for the first style, all that I'm doing is just having my hair into half, and then I am going to be flat twisting the hair towards the back and have it in a little ponytail. Yes. It looks really cute and simple. Alright, so that's style number 1, which is super simple, super quick, and looks beautiful. Alright, so the next hairstyle, also simple as well. All I'm doing is catching half of my hair up towards the side. Alright, so this hairstyle is very simple. Yeah, really simple. Looks good. Okay, so this one is very simple, so I'm just catching up everything in one. So even though it's simple, it's looking beautiful. Yeah, and I am just loving this. Right, so this is really cute. Alright, for the fourth style that I'm going to be doing right now, I am going to be using this scarf to tie around my hair. I'm just going to push it back a little bit. At the end of the video, remember to like, share, subscribe, below the comment section, and remember to turn on your post notification bell so you won't miss a video. Until next time, bye!